What is the name for the study of science that deals with the Earth's physical structure and substances? Answer A, geology. What is the correct name for the molten rock that is found deep inside volcanoes? Answer B, magma. What do we call any naturally occurring chemical found in the earth? Answer C, mineral. The word geology originates from which language? Answer A, Greek. What do you call a person who studies rocks? Answer B, geologist. Earth's continents were once joined as a single massive supercontinent called what? Answer A, Pangaea.